When the TD app keeps crashing, it is usually due to software conflicts or outdated files. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and swipe it away. Then, you're going to wait for a while and then open the app. Next, restart your phone to clear temporary memory issues. After that, you're going to head over to your app store. Now, search for the TD Bank app for Canada, of course. Then, make sure to check updates for both TD app and your phone's operating system. Updating your app ensures you have all your latest files and bug fixes, so always make sure to update your app. If you're on Android, clear the app cache from your device settings. If the crashes continue, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it from there. After reinstalling, go ahead and open the app and sign in again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.